By the end of this video, you will be able to add a game to your Roblox group. Let's get started. So you might have recently created a group or became an owner of a group on Roblox, and you would like to add a game or create a game within that group. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. If you're looking to collaborate with other people to create a game, I created another video that shows you how to do this. I'll put a link to it here. So in order to add a game to your group, you want to start in Roblox Studio. So I put together a simple camping game here. And this is just to show you that this is the exact game that will go into the group. So once you have a game ready to go that you want to load to your group, you can go up to File, and you can either save to Roblox as. Now that will create the game there, but it will not publish it so that people can play it just yet. That option is mostly for if you still want to work on the game before people play it. I actually want people to play this game right away, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Publish to Roblox as. So once I click that, it's going to ask me, choose a game to add this place to. And if I don't have a game that I want to add this place to, I can create a new game on the bottom left. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So you want to click on Create New Game. And then it's going to ask you all the basic information. So you're going to have a title. So I'm going to say Test Group Game. And then in the description, you can fill this out. And then the next part is very important. So the creator, you're actually going to want to click the creator as the group. And if you are not currently in the group, I have another video that shows you how to create a group, and so you can click on that video. But right here is where you click on the group that you're a part of. Hopefully for the group that you're clicking on, you either are an owner or you have a role in the group that allows you to upload group games. And you can fill out the genre. I'm going to just go ahead and say adventure. If you'd like this to be played on console, you can. I do not want this to be played on console. And then team create, that's the collaboration that I was talking about earlier. And I'm going to go ahead and unclick that, but I have another video again that shows you how to do that. Once you are happy with what you have here, then you can go ahead and click create. So now that you have created that game, it says it's successfully published, and you may find this place in test group game. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to click out of this and go back to Roblox. And what I need to do here is actually go up to the create tab. Again, so go to roblox.com, click on create, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on group creations. And so you can see in group creations tab there is the test group game that I just created. It has that little camping simulation that I had. So if you want people to be able to see the game that you created for the group, you want to first click on this link for private. So it's right under test group game. So this brought you to the basic settings area, and you can see that right now this is set to private, which means only I can see this in my experiences. If I want others to see this, I want to click on public. So I'm going to click on that and then click save. So now that I click save, it gave me a little message saying that now that I've made it public, it will shut down any running instances of this game. So if anyone was playing it. So now that it's set to public, I want to go back to my group. So again, to get to your group, you go to your top left-hand corner and then go down to groups. And so right now it is not showing on my group page. So what I need to do is go to the three dots right here for more and then click on configure group. Once I click on configure group, I'm going to want to click on settings. And in settings, you're going to see that it says group experiences are visible on the group homepage. So right now my profile is not set to do that. So you want to make sure you click that and toggle that on. So these are all settings that you're going to need to do to make sure that your game is seen in your group. So now when I go back to the group, so now I'm on the main group page and you can see my experiences is there. So I can go ahead and click on that. And now I am able to play the game that I just created in Roblox Studio and published to my group. I wanted to test run this so you can see it's the exact game that I just created in Roblox Studio. And you can see I've got the trees and the campfire going. So that is the easiest way to add a game to the group that you're a part of in Roblox. If you've made it this far into the video, I'm assuming that you want to learn how to create a game with others and collaborate with them. I have another video that shows you how to do this. I'll put a link to it here and I'll see you there.